I remember when I started the interrogation, I said, look, we had this whole conversation. I said, look, your enemies are my enemies, and I am absolutely prepared to help you. But, you must understand, we have to do a deal here. And I want a lawyer, I want a written deal, I want you guys to sign it, that if I help you, you're going to let me go. You're going to give me a pardon. I felt I had to try, and the Attorney General said, no, Mann, we do not negotiate with terrorists, you see. And so I laughed. And they said, why are you laughing? That's not funny. And I said, no, it is funny. And they said, well, why do you say it's funny? I said, because I was an intelligence officer in Northern Ireland, and I know that we always negotiate with terrorists. That's what we always do. Are you kidding? Never negotiate with terrorists. Bullshit.
So you took a leap of faith and went along, because there wasn't much choice, and you told them what they need to do, and you went on trial, and they gave you another sentence?
We went through this whole thing.
Okay.
And then we got to the trial, before the trial, and they said, okay, you've really helped us with the interrogation. That's fantastic. Now we want you to really help us with the trial. And I'm thinking, oh my God, because they could easily have tried me and then shot me. They have a track record for shooting people who tried to overthrow them. I thought, oh no, this isn't going to be good. So I said, well, what do you want me to do in the trial? And they said, well, what we want you to do is we want you to plead guilty. I said, oh, okay, plead guilty to what? And they said, attempted murder, attempted assassination of a head of state, and attempted acts of international terrorism. I said, you've got to be kidding. I can't possibly say that. And they said, well, you must, because, the president really wants you to do that, and you've been very helpful, but that's what we want you to do, and you must trust us. I thought, oh, man. and I thought about it, and I thought, well, what else am I going to do?
Continue watching this fascinating conversation for free by clicking on the link below to visit our website, learn from the best minds in the world, and connect with a community of passionate people building the best versions of themselves. Just click on the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.